In today's fast-paced world, digital transformation is reshaping workplaces across industries. But what does this really mean, especially for traditional setups? Let's break it down. Digital transformation goes beyond just new software. It signifies a fundamental shift in how organizations operate. Traditional workplaces often cling to long-standing practices, facing hurdles while embracing change. However, with challenges come opportunities to evolve and thrive. Many traditional environments, like manufacturing or legacy healthcare, rely heavily on experience and routine. Introducing digital tools can feel disruptive and even threatening. Leaders do face a puzzle: how to propel change while maintaining stability. An empathetic approach is essential to navigate these waters. Success begins with trust and open communication. Employees need to feel involved, not sidelined. Leaders must convey a clear vision on the transformation's benefits, addressing any concerns honestly. Regular updates and training ensure that communication remains a continuous dialogue. A common mistake is focusing solely on technology without investing in people. Transformation is powered by people, not just tools. Training should extend beyond tutorials. It should connect digital tools to broader goals and daily tasks. Creating safe spaces for experimentation invites confidence and encourages innovation. Balancing legacy systems with new innovations is crucial. Instead of a complete overhaul, identify where digital solutions can offer quick wins. This strategy maintains business continuity and eases the transition. Collaboration between IT, operations, and frontline teams ensures prioritized technology investments yield maximum impact. Remember, digital transformation is an ongoing journey, not a one-time project. Cultivating agility and resilience is key. Leaders should model openness to feedback and adaptability, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Celebrating small successes boosts employee confidence to innovate. At its heart, digital transformation revolves around people. The best technologies must cater to the needs of users. Solutions should enhance workflows, providing intuitive interfaces. Acknowledging that transformation impacts employee identity is vital. Technologies should empower and augment expertise. Looking ahead, the future for traditional workplaces is promising. By embracing change with empathy and commitment to people, organizations unlock immense potential. Digital tools can streamline tasks, provide insights, and foster creativity. Leaders and teams embarking on this journey are paving the way for connected, inclusive, and innovative workplaces.